Hi, I'm Desi. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm sharing my recipe for mock chalupa, a delicious, easy, quick meal you could make at home with your own fresh ingredients. Let's get cooking. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to add a little olive oil to my pan. Add a half a teaspoon of fresh garlic. I'm going to brown a pound of ground beef. You could use more if you have a bigger family. This is good for about 3 to 4 people. You can season the meat with your favorite taco seasoning, but I don't like cumin, so I'm gonna season it with my own seasonings. I'm gonna use a little bit of adobo, a little bit of smoked paprika. That's optional, I don't always put that in. A little bit of cayenne pepper. A little bit of pepper to taste. I'm going to use a little ketchup since I don't have any taco sauce. This is what the meat looks like after about 10 minutes on medium heat. Depends on your pan and how high you have the heat. I chopped up some lettuce and tomato. I have some shredded Mexican cheese and some yum yum sauce in that bottle. This is the naan bread that I like to use from Aldi's. It has such a great taste. This is my mock chalupa assembled, and you could add your own toppings and customize it to your own liking. Add sour cream, avocado, whatever sauce that you like. Well, that was delicious. I hope you try this recipe. I'd love to hear how you enjoyed it and any adjustments that you made. Please leave a comment below. Take care until next time. Happy cooking.